Hey, how's everyone doing? All right, welcome back. Okay, so before we get into our HTML5 footer, I want to talk about one last CSS3 property, and it's called width. And it's kind of funny, and it's really easy to use, so I'm going to do a short little tutorial video on this, and hopefully you guys don't have too difficult of a time following along, and you can learn this with me, and it's going to be great. So let's go to our, we could keep all that in there, hello world, it's fine. Where are you? CSS. Okay, so inside two right here, I'm going to take out, I'll take out everything except float right. We're going to need float right. I can leave the color, leave the Arial background green. Text align. Clear both. I'm going to put back in here though. Clear both. Let me look at this. Float, clear. We'll do padding top. Padding top. We'll call it 3%. Nope, not 35. Hit the shift button. We'll save that. We got padding top. And I need to give it a width and a height because I want it to transition in width. That's what this whole video is about. So I'm going to say this width is, we'll say 100 pixels. And we'll say the height is 100 pixels too. And this is the box that we're going to create. So right now we have a green box with white font inside of it. And I think our font just says hello world. Well, what do we want to do? We need to go ahead and type the new CSS attribute. And this one, it's called transition width. And we'll do it in a matter of 2 seconds. 2 seconds, just like that. But again, I'm not quite sure if this browser is going to render our CSS properly because it's CSS3. So just for good measure, I'm going to go ahead and type WebKit transition. That's it. Width 2 seconds. And if you're on Opera, you need to type. I don't know how many people are on Opera. If you're on Opera, you need to type that. And if you're on Mozilla Firefox, you need to type that. And I'll just keep these in there just for the sake that some of you guys out there probably are on Opera or Mozilla. So right down here, we're going to say when we hover over this, what do we want to have happen? We'll go ahead and say our width will change to 300 pixels. Do we have enough room for that on our website on a 13-inch monitor? Okay, so the width is going to start at 100 pixels and it's going to move out to 200. It's going to move out. No, it's going to start at 0 pixels and then it's going to move out to 100 pixels in width by 100 pixels in height in 2 seconds. And when we roll over it, it's going to change to 300 pixels in width. Let's see if this works. Cross our fingers. Where's our webpage? What's going on? Some kind of sick joke? Hello world. Did this move? Roll over it. There it is. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it started at 100 pixels. Kind of a little turtle head or something. Kind of cool, huh? All right, guys. Well, that's the CSS3 property of width. And in the next video, we'll go ahead and talk about our footer because we don't have a footer. We need to create one because we want this to be a legitimate looking website and we want to make sure that we are the copywriters and own this and all this stuff. So let's do the footer in the next video. Good luck with this, guys. Good luck.